Hi everyone, I am Brijesh, the co-founder of Gurully. Today I am really excited to introduce the all-new Gurully IELTS platform. As an official IDP IELTS partner, staying updated isn't optional. It's our responsibility. We regularly attend official IELTS seminar, stay informed about the latest development and continuously improve our platform to reflect the current computer deliver IELTS experience. Over the past few months, my team and I have completely rebuilt our IELTS platform from the ground up. Not because we wanted to fresh design, but because today's IELTS aspirants deserve practice that actually prepares them for the real exam. Every feature you will see today was built with one goal: to help you practice smarter, understand your performance, and walk into your IELTS exam with confidence. So let me show you what we have built. This is your dashboard where everything will start from here. The first you will notice is it is in uniform design. It's clear and much more visibly attractive. Apart from that, if you want to set your targeted score or the band, you can do it from here. You can choose your targeted band which you are targeting for the real exam. After that, if you want to check the weekly progress, you can do it from the dashboard itself. So over here, your mock test performance as well as your section test performance will be visible from here. So you will have an overview about your overall performance regarding the practice that you are doing on the Gurully. So which is very much important. You should be tracking your performance week by week so you can have an idea that where you are lacking or where you are standing right now. Apart from that, if you want to start your practice, the first option is the section test, which will give you the individual sections for the listening, reading, writing and speaking. You can practice it from here. So you can start the exam from these options. It will be just like the real exam. All the rules and regulations which has been given by the IDP, it will be followed in the Gurully platform. So you will not have any surprises while giving the real exam. So our team has made sure that it's reflecting the 100% of the real exam.
This is the IELTS listening test. You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read.
So this is the platform. All right, you can navigate the questions from here, from the bottom bar.
Will be played once only.
If you want to do the full screen, you can do it from here.
Now turn to part 1.
So this is the listening section. So this is the reading section as well. Similarly, if you want to practice the writing, you can do it from here. Then after, there's an option of mock test, which is very much important because it's a full length mock test just like the real exam. You have to finish it in one go if you are appearing for the CDIs. So let me show you the mock test. Over here, mock test, we have a lot of exam papers as well over here, and we'll be adding more content for the practice purpose as well. So you don't have to worry about the variety of questions. So let's start the test. You will have to allow the microphone. Also make sure you are checking your system requirement. Every day I try to read a book. We are set to go. These are the instructions. So here also it will start the IELTS exam. All right. As I explained earlier, you can navigate the different questions from here, part 1, part 2, part 3, everything. And if you want to submit the exam, you can directly do it from here, submit. Once you finish the exam, as of now, the result will be generated from our side. This is the second part, reading part. We have made sure that all the questions are the replica of the real exam, so you don't get any surprises while appearing the IDP IELTS exam. Same here, you can navigate the different parts from the bottom of the screen. I'll just submit the reading part as well, and then it will be the writing part. You'll have to write the essay. If there is also one other feature which is of note taking. So you can also take your note while giving the exam, which will be highlighted over here. You can add your notes if you want to remember anything and want to highlight certain things. You can do it from here. So we'll submit the part 1, task 2 and essay. I'll submit it, the writing part as well, and then this speaking part.
How many pairs of shoes do you own? Do you think that is a lot?
So this is also a type of virtual speaking partner. You can practice it over here. You can record yourself and the result will be generated as similar to the real exam only. Alright, all the scenarios will be just like the IDP IELTS exam. Right now I'm just submitting the exam.
Do you think people in your country pay a lot of attention to the shoes they wear? Why?
Alright, I'm just giving the ratings. And this is how you can perform the full length mock test. If you want to check your listening and reading score, it will be available instantly. You can view it from here. Alright. So this is the answer key, which you can do that. If you want to locate your answers or you want to see the explanation of certain answers, you can do it from here. You can locate certain answers. The answer key is also here. You can check it out, where you have done wrong, all the things. Similarly for the reading part as well, you can check it out over here. Similarly the answer key as well for the reading. This is how you can perform the mock test and check your result instantly for the speaking and reading part. So these are the certain features which is very much important for any IELTS aspirant who is preparing for the IDP exam. Alright, this is not the scenario that if you are from the India or the overseas, there is any difference in the exam. It is a worldwide proven exam and there is no any change for Indian students or the overseas students. It will remain same for each and every student. Apart from this section test and mock test, we have added certain extra features which are very much important for you for the preparation of the IELTS. One such feature is vocabulary. Let me show you how vocabulary works and how you can utilize this feature. So over here from the menu, you can check this vocabulary and there are two options, reading vocabulary and listening vocabulary. You can practice it from here. So this is the reading. You can tap to play.
Acronym.
If you are already knowing certain words, you can click on this thumbs up button, which will stored in our platform that this exam is as a familiar word. So this is just like an cue card, just to remember certain words. It will help you in order to build your vocabulary for the writing part, for the essay or for the letter writing. At Gurully, we didn't build the platform to give you more practice questions. We built it to help you walk into real IELTS exam with confidence. Now it's your turn. Take your first free IELTS mock test, explore our platform, compare it with any IELTS platform you want, and then decide for yourself. We wish you best of luck for IELTS exam.